Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Tor Browser is up to date and that you understand the privacy trade-offs. Once done, open Tor, click the Onion menu at top left, and choose Preferences or Options. You need to enable custom settings rather than the default security slider. Make sure your network connection is stable and that you have administrative rights on the machine. This first step prepares Tor to accept finer-grained configuration changes and prevents accidental exposure later on. Now you'll adjust the security settings and enable JavaScript carefully. First, move Tor's security slider to standard or a lower level so JavaScript functions are permitted. Then type about, config in the address bar, acknowledge the warning, and search for JavaScript. Enabled, toggle it to true if needed. To avoid global exposure, open no script and grant permissions only to specific domains you trust. Make sure to test a single site first so you can confirm functionality without broadly increasing risk. Finish by restarting Tor Browser so all configuration changes take effect. Once restarted, visit a trusted site that requires JavaScript and confirm the content loads. Check no script to ensure the site is allowed. If JavaScript still fails, go back to About, Config, Verify JavaScript. Enabled is true and inspect no script or the security slider. Reset any changed flags or refresh your Tor profile as a last resort. If problems persist, temporarily revert to the default security level and reapply permissions step by step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.